सर यहाँ पे सेंटर में
सितारे जमीन पर
सर सेंटर
सर सेंटर सर सेंटर
सेंटर अरे हाथ नीचे कर हाथ नहीं उठाने का
सर सामने सामने यहाँ पे सर
यहाँ पे सामने
सर सेंटर
डन डन थैंक यू सर
ए रुक जाओ
So after that, every time I saw his name, I'm like, oh no, now what?
So then I was like, I'm not doing the film. Then I called up and said, no, I'm doing the film. Then I called up and said, I'm not doing the film. Then I called up and said, Farhan and Shiva is there. So now, you'll have to, I don't know what the casting turns out to be because now, the director and all will decide again. She also was constantly on, off. But I was always keeping you posted.
Honest, yeah, absolutely. In fact, the time that he said he's doing the film fine, because I spoke to Prasanna the day before. I said he had messaged saying I'll speak to you. So I said, what's going on? He said, I don't know what's going on. So when he told me he's doing the film, I was like, yeah! And then I was like, but am I doing the film?
Sir, if I can add, so what
तो ये सब इतने ड्रामे हुए हैं तो बिंदास बोल ना सच बोल बहुत परेशान किया आदमी ने यार कभी हाँ बोलता है कभी ना बोलता है
No, sir. So, sir, I'll tell you again because sir doesn't like to hear praise about himself, but he'll have to guide this. I feel that, honestly, what I told sir the first time I met him was that to work with Amir sir, and this all of us here we know, is a dream of every director. So, first thing I told Amir sir is, sir,
An
the fact, an actor, correct. And sir, you close your ears, sir. Abhi aap, to work with Amir sir is a dream for every filmmaker. And I know that filmmakers will wait for 10 years, 20 years to get a chance to even work with him. So I did something which every filmmaker would have done. So there's nothing special. You did something which only you could have done, which is backed a film like this and a director. And thank you for that.
So now you're in the film.
now I'm enjoying it.
So I'll add 2 days before shoot. Sir called me and said, Prasanna, come home. I was like, oh God. Oh God. And then the twist was, sir was just having a chat. Just a chat. So I texted Meena. Meena, all okay. Sir just having like a chat.
No change in
2 days
status.
before shoot.
But it's true, every time Amir calls, you have to do a little bit pranayama or something and then answer. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
time लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. That is true. Sir, अभी जो ये film
It's not coming anywhere else. There were various proposals offered to me for taking the film elsewhere, but I'm a theatre loyalist. Wherever I am today is because of cinema theatres, and I can't turn my back on them. So I'm not a practical person. I'm an emotional person. So I've decided that this film will be only in theatres and nowhere else will be in theatres. So no OTT, no nothing, nowhere.
wow, okay. See, you then opens doors, whether it's casting.
यार मेरी बात लोग ज्यादा कर रहे हो कुछ और बोल
सर
रहे
आपको
हो
बता रहा हूँ मुझे मतलब घर रेंट पे मिल गया बिकॉज मैंने कहा मैं आमिर खान वर्जन वरना फिल्म वालों को नहीं मिलता था सो योर तारे ज़मीन पर का टैगलाइन वाज एवरी चाइल्ड इज स्पेशल इसका है सबका अपना अपना नाम एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू नो व्हाट इज दैट वन वर्क दैट आमिर सर हैज तो सबको वर्क लगता है बट उनके लिए नॉर्मल एज पीपल हु वर्क विद
Jenny, you want to go first?
Like in general or in
yeah
In real life.
in real life
What is
there's
my
something that's
quirk?
quirky about him but it's normal for him
For me it's normal, but for you it's not normal. It's strange for you.
No, I mean, your law when we message, he will message after 2 days.
What do you replies after 2 days?
I reply after 2 days.
Sometimes 3 days.
Not bad यार, 2-3 दिन में आ जाता
उसमें वो quirk है क्या?
क्या है quirk actually?
So मैं बता
हाँ, you go first.
हाँ, because also इसमें I think है there's a character who doesn't bathe. Is that inspired by Amir?
Direct.
There's a character who doesn't bathe. Is that inspired by Amir? Because वो देखा मैंने trailer
What
में.
nonsense.
So this trailer में देख के लगता है
वो
कि
तू बता
मैं
quirk
हाँ,
क्या
sorry, you
है?
were saying something.
Sir, one thing which is very normal for Sir is the fact that I think he gives his more than 100% and he expects that from everyone, which I love and all of us love. But for someone else, it might seem like, oh,
क्या करना है?
that's, oh, and like, what else do we expect from, like, he's Amir Khan, what else were you like expecting? So I
We've
think,
not got the quirk. We got only praise for Amir.
yeah, it could be a quirk. It's a quirk. No,
We
sir?
love you, sir. Don't be
Quirk
co-पालन
मैं
हारे.
तुमको समझाता हूँ. Quirk ये होता है, for example, I can't travel without my pillow.
That's true.
Now that's a quirk for
That's
me.
I know what Gulshan's quirk is.
Gulshan's character.
Gulshan's character.
That I know.
But sir,
That
you should
I
also
built into the
acting-
character. He's constantly.
You should tell about that, sir.
Yeah. So there are 2-3 things I've done in the film, which I've felt were very right for Gulshan. He's constantly frustrated and he's constantly getting, he's out of his depths. So scratching his head was one thing which I, really added as a gesture. And the other thing I've done is I've kept an open mouth in the film. उसका mouth खुला रहता है. You always open mouth. I don't know if this is a code.
Gesture of a coach also. The body language of a coach you picked up and
Yeah. No, but these are the two major things that I think, because I feel the mouth of a person changes your personality. Your mouth changes your personality. अगर मैं ऐसे होगा तो मेरी personality होगी. मेरा mouth मेरा ऐसा होगा. In PK, if you remember, my mouth was like a choch. It was little popping out. So I feel that the mouth of a person changes the personality of the person completely. ऐसे अगर मेरा mouth हो गया तो मैं अलग इंसान हो गया. So mouth really changes the personality of a person. ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गया.